Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we'll be putting to the test Tatcha's The Water Cream with Tatcha's The Dewy Skin Cream. Tatcha, if you ever watch this video, please put me on your PR list. I am dying to be on Tatcha's PR list. Tatcha, I have a whole bunch of videos. I like your products, Tatcha, so please, please, please put me on your PR. Look at me begging brands and videos to get up here. They're going dislike already. Oh my god, I'm just playing, guys. Calm down, because I already know how this video gonna go. There go 5 dislikes for me begging to be on the PR list. Both creams will run you $68. The smaller versions of these creams will run you $28. Looking at the ingredient list, I am going to say the cleaner of the two would have to be the water cream, and that's because it had the less of the ingredients, and this one had a little bit more colorants to it. However, it did have way more anti-aging properties to it and more fruit extracts and plant extract ingredients. The Dewy Skin Cream had way more than the water cream did. Smelling wise, they both smell the exact same. It's sort of a herbal tea scent. It smells like a man's cologne if you are used to like an American type of fragrance, but it really leans on the earthy scent. Really not earthy because it doesn't have really patchouli woodsy notes, but it's sort of in that like herbal, it's sort of in that like fragrant tea floral scent, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and swatch both products. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put the Dewy Skin Cream on first. That is what the Dewy Skin Cream looks like. That is such an ugly swatch, but and let's go ahead and put the water cream on. Let me get a little bit because I'm almost out. And that is what the water cream looks like. This is the Dewy Skin Cream, and this is the water cream. The Dewy Skin Cream, in my opinion, looks just a little bit thicker than the water cream. So now that we've swatched both products, I am going to go ahead and put them on my face. Okay, so I already know I'm ashy. I've been talking a lot. So let's go ahead and relieve the ashiness of this skin. I am going to start with putting the Dewy Skin Cream on this side of my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh God, look at that ad. I am out here looking like, well, y'all already know. I'm not y'all know I'm looking a mess, a hot mess. So that is the Dewy Skin Cream. Just putting a little more. I already know y'all gonna say, oh, you put too much. I am put too much. I ain't gonna even lie. Look at, I'm ready, QVC. I am ready to audition. Cause you know, have y'all watched QVC? Seriously, they put tons of creams and stuff on their QVC. I'm ready, honey. Now let's put the water cream on. So here we go. Here is the water cream. There we have it. Okay. I could have probably used way more water cream and way less Dewy Skin Cream. I'm going to just throw that out there for y'all because I already done it. There go another so far this video has like 20 dislikes already. Oh, look at the ash, y'all. It looks really bad. Let me rub the cream in so people don't be talking about me like a dog. Okay, so here we go. So as I'm rubbing them in, you can really feel that the water cream has this feeling of, it's like literally putting water in on your face, the way it melts. And the Dewy Skin, it's like the textures as you're rubbing them in is completely different. This one is so thick and this one is so soft and like water. It is so weird. It's so weird when you're applying 2 different creams because you're like, what is going on? Oh my God. This is what it looks like. Let me do a close-up. This is what it looks like. Dewy Skin Cream, water cream. Wow. Okay, you guys, so both products are on my face. Here is the Dewy Skin Cream. And here is Tatcha's water cream. Wow, I can't even tell the difference. Like, okay, here we go. Tatcha's Dewy Skin Cream and Tatcha's water cream. What do you guys think? Let me look in the mirror. I will say that the Tatcha's water cream is a little bit more brighter than the Dewy Skin Cream. I will say the water cream is drying down quicker than the Dewy Skin Cream. So what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and let them set for about 10 minutes. And then we'll be back to talk about it. Okay, so let's talk about both products and which one you should buy. I do want to say this. Feeling wise, I honestly feel that the water cream is just a little bit more softer on my face. It just feels much better. The Dewy Skin Cream gives you a more of a greasy feel, a hydrated feel. I did add too much, so I will say this: if you add too much of the product, you are going to get a little bit of peeling. However, I do want to say that that's because it has sodium hyaluronate in it. So if you are peeling because of the Dewy Skin Cream and you're using way less, 9 out of 10 is because of the sodium hyaluronate. With that being said, the water cream is just a little more nice, gentle, softer feeling towards the skin. I also want to say, looking in the mirror after applying both products to my face, the water cream made my pores look much smaller. The appearance of my pores looks much smaller. This side of my face, my pores just look like they were being clogged with the Dewy Skin Cream, whereas in the water cream side of my face, my pores actually reduced dramatically. It's like really shocking. Like, you guys, I'm literally peeling. I know you can't see it, but I'm just like peeling. But anyways, my pores just look much smaller. It like literally reduced the appearance of my pores. I also want to say there was a little more brighter skin on the water cream side of my face. Oily skin, normal skin, and I think combination skin will enjoy the water cream. I also think sensitive skin will enjoy the water cream. Dry skin, normal skin will enjoy the Dewy Skin Cream. I also think if you're looking for a matte look, the water cream is where you want to go. The water cream really dries down matte. It dries down a nice matte, whereas in the Dewy Skin Cream stays shiny all day. I also think that the water cream is really versatile, where it's going to make your makeup look flawless without that cakey look. So you may want to invest in the water cream if you are a makeup wearer, a heavy makeup wearer, but you want a heavy duty moisturizer that is going to last all day under your makeup. I think that the water cream is the way to go versus the Dewy Skin Cream. If you're going to use your makeup with the Dewy Skin Cream, honey, you're going to be looking cakey and shiny and a hot mess out here. So you may want to save that Dewy Skin Cream for your nighttime moisturizer. I also want to say, when it comes to benefits and you are looking for a moisturizer for anti-aging, they both claim to have anti-aging benefits, but I will say, in my personal opinion, the two that have one of the best anti-aging benefits, in my opinion, would be the Dewy Skin Cream. So if you are looking to look young forever young, then go ahead and go with the Dewy Skin Cream, because it's going to give you wonderful anti-aging benefits. It has more anti-aging benefits, in my opinion, than the water cream does. They both do contain gold. I do want to say that. Some people feel gold is gimmicky. In my opinion, it's not. I love gold in skincare. I see nothing wrong with it. They've been using gold in skincare for years. I think it's more of an American thing, because in other countries, people love the fact that you put gold in skincare products. Specifically, you know, Dubai is one of those countries. Thailand, most Asian countries enjoy gold in skincare, whereas in America, we seem to be on this kick of minimalism, and we tend to like less in skincare products is more. But for those of you who enjoy the benefits and believe in the benefits of gold in your skincare, then you will enjoy the fact that they both do have gold in your skincare. The water cream gold is higher on the list. I do want to make that clear. So if you are looking for gold in your skincare and you want it a little bit higher on the ingredient list, you may want to try the water cream versus the dewy skin cream, where it is a little lower on the ingredient list, because the dewy skin cream does add more ingredients that help with anti-aging for the skin versus the water cream. The ingredient list is way longer on the dewy skin cream than it is on the Tatcha water cream. Now let's talk about all day moisturization from both creams. Now in my opinion, which one is going to last you longer? I will say this, you know, they both are neck and neck with lasting a long time. Like even when I've applied them both, I felt that they've lasted a long time. However, I will say this, the dewy skin cream is going to last you a little bit longer all day. So if you like a cream that is going to last you all day, still give you the shiny look, the glowy look, the greasy look, and the look where you don't feel like you have to reapply it, you may want to go with the dewy skin cream. I feel with Tatcha water cream, you may have to apply it a little bit more throughout the day, whereas in the dewy skin cream, you won't have to apply it as much throughout the day as you would the water cream. Now, if it was me and I had to make this purchase again, which I probably will, which one would I personally buy? I would go ahead and purchase the water cream. Even though I enjoy the dewy skin cream as a nighttime moisturizer, I feel like I use Tatcha's water cream throughout the day, and that's coming from someone with combination skin, aka fickle as well, combination skin. I feel myself enjoying the water cream more. Plus, I've got so many compliments when I have the water cream on my face and I don't wear makeup. I get so many compliments, and y'all know I barely wear makeup. And one time I was in the bank and the bank teller was like, oh my god, your skin looks so good, what are you using? I didn't think anything of it was bad because I had to go and pay a bill to the Chase, but that's here nor there. I'm not even about to get into that. This is about this product. Anyways, I went in there and she was like, oh my god, your skin looks so good. And I wanted to tell her what I was using, but I was so focused on paying the bill because I was mad about the bill, I couldn't tell her that it's Tatcha's water cream. But that makes my skin look so good. I get so many compliments when I wear Tatcha's water cream. People ask me, oh, are you wearing makeup? I'm not like, no girl, I'm not wearing no makeup. It's just a moisturizer, Tatcha. Next time, hopefully when I'm in a better mood and someone asks me, or someone tells me, oh, your skin looks good, and they ask me, what am I wearing? I'm gonna be like, oh, Tatcha. I get really a lot of compliments on Tatcha's water cream than I do the dewy skin cream. So I definitely will be buying Tatcha's water cream again. But I will say this, I do use the dewy skin cream as a moisturizer most of the time when I feel like I'm bored and all my other nighttime moisturizers aren't making my skin look as good. I will use the dewy skin cream as a moisturizer. With that being said, you guys, I really hope I gave you guys enough information to go out and make your purchasing decision on which one would you rather buy. With that being said, you guys, I love you so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.